GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi students, in the previous video we have covered the topic problems 1 to 4 in the exercise number 1.2. In this video, let us cover problems 5 to 8 in the exercise number 1.2. Now, let us see fifth question. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. Right? If you see, it is given that we need to find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be made from the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, and we need to use the digit only once. So, from these digits, that is, first let us write the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. These are the digits which are given. Now, let us find the greatest and the least number from these digits. Greatest means, obviously, we need to arrange the digits in descending order. Right? Descending means from greatest to smallest. So, from these digits, let us write from the greatest to smallest. Among this, 7 is the greatest, and after 7, 6, after 6, 4, after 4, 3, and then finally 2. This is the greatest number which can be made from these digits. Now let us make the smallest number or the least number from these digits, that is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Right? So this is written reverse. From 2 it is written reverse in ascending order, that is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now these are the two numbers which is greatest and least number made from these digits. We need to find difference. Difference means subtraction. So 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So this is 76,432 and 23,467. Now it will be clear. Now let us subtract. See, 2 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 2. So let us borrow. 3 becomes 2 and this 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 7 is nothing but 5. Now we have 2 minus 6. We cannot subtract 6 from the number 2. So let us borrow from 4. 4 becomes 3. This 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 6 is nothing but 6. Here we have 3 minus 4. Again we cannot subtract 4 from 3. Let us borrow from 6. 6 becomes 5. 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 4 is nothing but 9. And now 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. And 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5. So the difference between the greatest and the least number formed from these digits is 52,965. Now let us see sixth question. A machine on an average manufactures 2,000 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Right? So, see, a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. So, how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? That is, we need to find out how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006. First, let us write the given data. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. Right? So we need to find how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006. See, to find out that, we should know in the month of January 2006 how many days will we have. Right? So we will have 31 days in the month of January 2006. So the days in the month of January 2006 is equal to 31 days. So, in the month of January 2006, there are 31 days. So, the total screws manufactured per day are 2,825. So, if we multiply the number of screws manufactured into the number of days, we will get the total number of screws manufactured in that month. That is 2,825 into 31 screws. Right? So let us multiply. 2,825 into 31. Now 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. As the whole number is multiplied with 1, so we got the same number. Now put an into. Now 3 5s are 15. Carry the 1 here and 5 here. Now 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Write the 7 here. Now 3 8s are 24. Write 2 here and 4 here. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. Now let us add 5. Directly write 5. 2 plus 5 7. 8 plus 7 15. So write the 1 here and 5 here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. And 8 is there. Let us write 8. So the total number of screws manufactured in the month January 2006 are 87,575. Let us write, therefore 87,575 screws were manufactured in the month January 2006. So 87,575 screws were manufactured in the month January 2006. Now, let us see 7th question. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Right? So, a merchant had a total amount of rupees 78,592 with her. So, she has put an order to buy 40 radio sets, right? So, each radio costs rupees 1200. Now, we need to find out after purchasing the 40 radio sets, how much money is left over with the merchant. So, let us write the given data first. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. So, she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. So, she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets of rupees 1200 each. So, now how much money will remain with her after the purchase? See, we need to find out how much money is left over after the purchase of 40 radio sets. First, let us find out the cost, that is the total cost for 40 radio sets. Each radio set costs rupees 1200. So, if we do 1200 into 40, we get the total cost for 40 radio sets. Let us do 1200 into 40. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Anything multiplied with 0. So, we have multiplied this number with 0. We got zeros only. Into 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 4. So, 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 8, 4. So, the total cost for 40 radio sets will be 48,000. The total cost for 40 radio sets will be 48,000. Now, the question is how much money will remain, right, with her after the purchase. See, she purchases 40 radio sets at 48,000 rupees. So, her total amount is 78,592. If we subtract the amount of 40 radio sets, that is 48,000, from 78,592, we will get how much money is left over with her. So, minus 48,000. Now, let us subtract 78,592 minus 48,000. Now 2 minus 0, 2, 9 minus 0, 9, 5 minus 0, 0, 5, 5 minus 0, 5, 8 minus 8, 0, 7 minus 4, 3. So we got 30,592. So the total amount with her is 78,592. If we subtract the cost of 40 radio sets, the money left over with her is 30,592. Let us write the money left over with her after the purchase is 30,592 rupees. So the money left over with her after the purchase is 30,592 rupees. Now let us see 8th question. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Right? So a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. So we need to find out the difference between the answers. That is, how much was his answer greater than the correct answer. So first let us write the given data. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. So we need to find out the difference. That is, how much the answer will be greater than the correct answer. See, first to find out that we need to find the difference between 65 and 56. So the difference between 65 and 56. That is 65 minus 56. 5 minus 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 5. So let us borrow. 6 becomes 5. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 directly 9. 5 minus 5 0. So the difference between 65 and 56 is equal to 9. Now see, if we multiply 7,236 by 9, we can find the answer, that is, that answer which will be greater than the correct answer. See, first let us multiply 7,236 into 9. 9 6 are 54. 9 3s are 27 plus 5 32. 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21. 9 7s are 63 plus 2 65. So, right, he got 65,124. So now by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer, right? By this much. By 65,124 greater is the correct answer. So therefore by 65,124. The answer was greater than the correct answer. So, by 65,124, the answer was greater than the correct answer. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.